Hey guys, welcome to the video today. Today is the skin the cat tutorial. A name I hate, but an exercise I love because it balances that strength and mobility right on the precipice of each other. You'd think they're cousins. So let's show you how to perform it, what we're looking for, the details within the movement. If we can't do the full skin the cat, how do we step it back and build up to that movement? First, we need to get warmed up and then we can get into it. Once you're warmed up, grab your rings, lower them to a point where your feet still touch the ground when hanging. What we're aiming to do to begin with is decrease the range of motion. The hardest part is that dead hang and pulling up into that inverted hang and being in that German hang position, which is that reverse hang, and pulling back up to invert. Those two are the hardest things. So we decrease the range of motion to avoid having to put that much stress on us to begin with, and we just focus on getting comfortable being upside down by helping us into that position. I've lowered the rings, and what I'm gonna do from here is kick myself up using this leg to drive momentum and this leg on the ground to give me a little bit of a push. Now you might be very scared in this position. So if you are in this position here and it's very uncomfortable for you, when you do the kick up, try and hook your legs around the ring straps like this. Well, look at that. From this position here, we want to try and get comfortable in the inverted position. And now we're lowering down. To lower down, turn the rings, start to lower your butt, and lengthen the feet. Lower the butt again. By lengthening out the legs, your feet will catch you and allow you to lower yourself with your legs supporting you down into this German hang position. If you lower your butt, you'll get that stretch. If you get the butt under the rings, you'll get the stretch even more. From this position, how do we get back? I didn't think of that. Help! From this position, we've walked the feet out. One leg comes in, the other leg kicks up. Back into our invert position. From this position here, we tuck as tight as we can and we lower our butt down to the ground. And that's essentially what it is. How we build up from there is we raise the rings up so that we increase our range of motion. The hardest thing about skin the cat is dealing with going upside down. If being upside down is too difficult, find a way where you can hook the leg without even having to kick yourself up. There was no time then when I was suspended in the air. It's all about regressing it to a point where we are in control. Hold on to the rings, always have straight arms, and don't let there be any slack on the rings. So we don't want to, for example, be in this position here, there's slack on the rings, and then we jump into it. That's bad news. Let's recap. Skin the cat is a dead hang, pull through front lever up to inverted hang, turn the rings out, lower through back lever into German hang. We then reverse that position. To make the skill achievable for us, if we can't do that from the get-go, we're looking at lowering the rings closer to the ground to decrease the range of motion, eliminating going from complete hang all the way around to complete German hang and pulling that back over. We're removing that and building strength by working in a limited range of motion, but finding our strength to pull us up and lower us down using our feet for assistance. As we build that strength, we can raise the rings higher and higher, so we are pulling ourselves and lowering ourselves through a greater range of motion. Common errors are bending the arms and freaking, well, it's not even an error, but freaking out going upside down. Keep yourself in control by removing the moments where you are out of control. So a lot of people find that they're out of control in that position there. To not freak out, lower the rings and just put the foot over the ring or the strap so that you can put yourself into that inverted position. Getting used to going upside down is what matters here. Getting comfortable there. Don't go out of your, go a tiny bit out of your comfort zone, but don't go completely out. And you will have the skin the cat in no time. And there you have it, guys. That is the skin the cat tutorial. Any extra questions, put them down in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of these types of videos, and I will see you for the next one.